our tour guide. Okay, I still have 25 minutes. So our hotel is just on that corner. Turn right, just a walking distance. You can see the background. It's full of marble. This is our first stop in marble factory here. As you can see, there are so many marbles, different parts like bases, and they have Buddhas as well. So one thing we learned about Vietnamese, they use a good quality raincoats here because most people use raincoats because they usually use motorbike for their transportation. From our hotel, it feels like only 15 minutes away. So this is the beginning stairs of the Marble Mountain. So there are two options, elevator or stairs. It has only 108 steps. You can see like stairs look like marble pieces. The Marble Mountains are a group of 5 limestone and marble hills in Hoi An district. They are one of the most popular day trips from Hoi An, situated just 20 kilometers north of the city. The mountain's sheer, porous limestone is punctuated by caves and tunnels, which are fitted by spectacular Buddhist and Hindu shrines. Of the 5 mountains, only Mount Hoi is accessible to tourists. It has the highest summit and a stunning panoramic view of the coast. Marble Mountains is open year-round from 7 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. The best months to visit are during the summer season, even though the heat can be stifling. During the rainy season, September to November, like right now, heavy rains can come up suddenly and their torrents will slick the marble stairs, making them slippery and dangerous. After Marble Mountain, our tour guide took us to the next destination, Hoi An. Hoi An is an ancient town and listed as one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. This has led to UNESCO putting it on a list of sites at risk due to climate change. Most of Hoi An is less than 2 meters above sea level, leaving it vulnerable to rising ocean levels. The town reflects a fusion of indigenous and foreign cultures, principally Chinese and Japanese, with later European influences that combine to produce this unique survival. Established in the 1600s, Hoi An lays claim to having the 3rd oldest Chinatown in the world. Okay, so it's 7:30 p.m. and we will have our dinner here in Daco. So dinner is also included in the package. Okay, we're starving now. It's great.